I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making safe edits. Use a child theme or a plugin so updates don't overwrite changes. Next, create a new template file for the posts you want separated, for example single news, PHP, or a custom template part. Once done, register or assign custom post types and categories that map to those templates. This separation tells Wordpress which PHP file to load for each group. Make sure to name files correctly, so the theme hierarchy finds them automatically. You now craft the loop that outputs posts on each page. Use WP query for custom queries or get posts to alter main queries safely. Build a loop template showing thumbnail, excerpt, date, and read more links so layout stays consistent. Then add pagination or an Ajax load more button for long lists. Make sure to use WordPress conditional tags like as post type archive and as category to keep logic clear. This approach prevents accidental duplication and keeps performance efficient when rendering multiple pages. You finish by connecting templates to navigation and URLs. Create archive pages, set up rewrite rules if needed, and add the new pages to your menu. Then update settings permalinks and flush rewrite rules so routes resolve correctly. If the wrong template loads, check template hierarchy, clear caches, and confirm post type assignment. Finally, if things break, enable WP debug, check server error logs, and disable plugins to isolate conflicts. These steps quickly reveal template or query.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.